All right, so today we're going to look at something that we've all done that is super useful. And until today, when this change is being implemented in Google Sheets, it's been more of a pain in the ass than it should be. But that's now changing. So we're going to be looking at using drop downs and the new feature within Google Sheets that allows you to do conditional formatting and data validation just in a really simple, easy workflow, kind of one-step process. So I've got here a sheet up, and everything in this starts with the @ symbol. So increasingly, as Google is starting to introduce these smart chips and you start typing @ you can tag people, you can add files, you can link to calendar events, and today you can actually create a drop down. So if you go down to the very bottom and you click on drop down, this essentially combines a two-step process that we used to all do into just kind of a one-step sidebar action, and it's super, super easy. So right here, I want to apply this to arrange. In this case, I'm just going to do let's say 20 rows. So A1 through A20, create a drop down, and the drop down options are going to be pretty easy. It's going to be not started yet and started, if I could type that in the right place, and started. So let's apply a color to that. So this is red because it's not started yet. And this one is, actually, I think I made that orange, but let's make that red. And this will be green. And so really, that's it. As long as we've got the colors and the criteria for the drop down assigned, you'll see that it kind of changes a little bit. It used to be just a charrette down. Now it's actually got kind of a rounded icon and selection. And if I start going through this, I can select what the status of each of these rows are. I mean, that's simple. And it's straightforward and super easy to use. Also, if I close this out, and let's say I've got these amazing 20 rows, but I actually need to add a row. If I go down to 7 and I do insert one row above, it's going to add that row in, and I can now go to not started yet or started, and you'll see that it expands. So it allows you to be able to actually add rows and still apply that formatting. So super, super cool. A really simple tweak that makes life a little bit easier. Hope that helps. Later.